Gearhead 327. Alright guys, I just want to show you a little something here. I was encountering some road noise. I thought it was the wheel hub bearing, and I just replaced this, I don't know, probably about 6,000 miles ago, and I took it off and it felt pretty solid. But anytime you turned to the left, you would hear a grinding noise like a bearing. Okay, now that's the brake dragging on that, but you would hear a noise, and I was all prepared to take this off here, and then I noticed this. So you can see the tire has, this little panel here has come loose. It's supposed to be back up in there, and you can see where the tire has rubbed it. So I just thought I'd do a quick little video here and show you that, you know, if you took this to an unscrupulous mechanic, he would change out these things. It would be very expensive, whereas it was just I must have hit, like I said, hit something here and caused that thing to loosen up, and that's the little piece, and I think this is where it hooked on. You see where the tire rubbed it. So alright, well, let's get that fixed, and guys, this is going to be a very inexpensive repair and a lot easier than changing out one of these wheel hubs. So alright, well, let's get that fixed. Let's see if we can fix it. And that was the piece that was in there, that screw, and that piece that has come loose, and it looks like this just, see that fits up in there like that, and it looks like the piece that used to hold that on is worn loose. So I must have hit something, or the thing just failed. So let's see about putting that together. It's going to be kind of hard to hold the camera and do all this, but I'll try and show you what I'm doing. Alright guys, all I did was take that clip out. I put a washer here and the piece that holds it on the back, but that could still pull out right there. So what I'm going to do is put a couple self-tapping screws in, like right here and right here, and I don't know, I may put one in right here. I mean, no one's going to get under here and see this unless it, you know, goes up on a lift, or, you know, I run over them or whatever. But okay, let's get that installed up there. See if I can do this one-handed. Alright, I got that piece on there. You can see how that's put on. I've got a self-tapping screw through there, but that's not going to stay on there for very long because it's rubber. But what I did is I took a washer, and I just self-tapped a hole through that, and we're going to put this on there like that, and we'll screw that on. It's not going through there, guys, it's going through that, so it'll hold it. So like I said, I'm going to have a hard time doing this with I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is how it's going to go on there. I just need to tighten it up. Alright guys, I put a self-tapping screw right there, but this back end you can see with how that's put in, and then we can probably see how that is right there. And so this, I think, is going to stay in here, and it's not going to come loose, and we're not going to get that tire rub. I suppose I could, you know, patch that up, but I don't really see any need for that, so I think that's going to be okay. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you that sometimes you think you got a major problem, and it's just something simple that's come loose, and an unscrupulous mechanic would go ahead and charge you for one of those wheel hub bearings right there. An honest mechanic would just repair that and charge you for the repair, and then he would get repeat business. So, and there's a lot of honest mechanics out there, guys, and there's some that aren't so honest, you know. Okay, well, Gearhead 327.